Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys the Optic Mega Box. This two box, it was a resale price from eBay. I forgot how much, but I'm hoping that I could cop some good cards. And let's get into it. Alright, let's start with this pack first. Pack number 1. Pack number 1, let's go. Okay. Powell, Terry, Joe, Colin. Alright, pack number 2. Alright, Marcus, Paul George, Kyle, and Jordan. Pack number 3. Alright, let's see. Russell Westbrook. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is Jamorant. Oh my god. My house. Silver. Let's go. A big pull right here. Okay, put this on the side. Eric Gordon. And Tackle Fall. Alright, so the next one. Pack number 4. Let's go. Wesley Matthews. Oh, I got fantasy stars. Oh, Damian Lillard. Oh, this guy's a good player actually. Oh wow, silver. Put this on this side. Oh my god, my house. Zion Williamson. Put on this side. Oh, wait. This one doesn't have a name. What? Oh, Luca. What? Oh my god. God, Luca. Oh wow. Oh my god, rookie card, Luca. Oh, it's a different Luca. Damn. Okay, crappy one. Oh my god. I got so surprised. Apparently it's not. Alright, so this is number 5. Let's go. Oh, there it is. There's the Luca. Let's go. Luca. He's a crazy 3-point shooter. The last second. Hopefully he can make it to a playoff. Oh, put this one on this side. Julius. Oh, Giannis. Oh my god, he's the best player too. Oh my goodness. My house. Just a normal base one. And Joe. Alright, so pack number 6. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Oh! Kawhi Leonard. Oh, this is pretty good too. Kawhi Leonard. Marvin. Jaren Jackson. This one's silver too. And Justin. Okay, should be pack number 6 now. Let's go. Trying to show you guys my opening as fast as possible. So let's go. Here is Harris. Rajon. Oh, it should be LeBron James. Winners Days? Wow. Silver. Pretty nice. Just on the side. and recall. Alright, here's pack number 7. Let's go. Mobamba, Lonzo Ball. Oh, just T minus 3, 2, 1. Joe. And Markel. Okay. Oh, this one is a different one. Pack number 8. Different packing. Hopefully something good. Oh, I'm praying for something good right now. Please. Something good. Oh! There's Marvin. Mobamba. Lonzo Ball. Ignis. And Kevin Love. That's the parallel ones. So they give you 10 parallels apparently. Yeah. So let's see. Julius. Oh, Kawhi Leonard. Malcolm. Darius. And Chris Paul. Yeah, that's pretty much it for box 1. So let's open box 2. This box 2 I'm opening. Hopefully I pull something good, like my buck worth. Alright, here's pack 1 for box 2. Let's go. Alright, J. Rue, Danny Green, Damian Lillard, he's pretty good right now. PJ Washington Jr. Okay, pack number 2 for box 2. Let's go. Alright, here's Kenter, Zubac. Oh, it's Shaq. Winner stays. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is good. It's Shaq though. It's an old one, I think. Okay, put that on the side and Keldon. Alright. Pack number 3, box 2. Okay, here's Kent. Oh, Damian Lillard. That's a different express lane. Huh. Okay. Allen. And DeMar. Okay, here's number 4. JJ. Gordon. Jarrett Culver, my house. And DeMar. Okay. Let's go. Bogdan. Ben Simmons. Here's Tim. And Isaac Thomas. Nothing really good yet, except the Shaq. So hopefully I can get something good here. The first box was a lot better. So let's see. Alright, Lau, James Harden, Nikola, my house, and Carson. Alright, let's see. I really hope something good. But I did pretty good for the first box. Let's go. There it is. Tim. Another Winner's Day. Magic Johnson. That's crazy. Fantasy Star, Carl Anthony, and LaMarcus. Okay, 3 more packs left. So this should be pack number 7 then. Let's see. Mitchell, Monty Rels, Kyrie Irving, Express Lane, and Bobo. Okay, here's the optic one. Hopefully I get something good for the optic here. Cause the first box is way better, to be honest. Rook, Mike, Reggie, don't know, and Jeff. Crap, nothing good. This last one. Let's go. Dennis, Jimmy, Miles, Andrew, and Cam Reddish. Yep, here it is. Here's all the parallel ones. See all the parallels all together. Okay, parallels. And I'll show you the good ones that I think. Apparently I cooked something good ones. So Damian Lillard. That one's express lane. There's the T-321. Kawhi Leonard, Lonzo Ball. That one's a parallel. This one's just a regular. And then Kawhi Leonard, Giannis, Luka. Here's the Damian Lillard, Magic Johnson, Shaq O'Neal, LeBron James, Zion Williamson, and Jamorant, the silver. So I think this is the biggest pull out of the 2 box. But the first box, pretty much I pulled this one and the Zion. Yeah, so I guess this 2 is the best one. Yep. What a great pull. Apparently. I'll take it. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow me, subscribe, any questions, feedbacks, everything will help. And I'll see you on the next video.